Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the decorations that I put up for Halloween, and I'll start with the middle of the dining room table. This flower, the rose and the skull I picked up at Walmart 2 years ago. That little tree came from Dollar Tree. Over here I have this little 2-tiered tray. I picked that up at Target. It was like, I think $3. I just put some candies on there. And that little pumpkin did come from Dollar Tree. Over here by the window, I do have this sign from Dollar Tree. I picked this up a few years ago because I thought it was really cute. It reminded me of my husband, myself, and our dogs. In the window, I did put up some purple lights. You can't really see that they're on right now. And then I just got these like Happy Halloween window clings from Walmart with the little bats. Thought that was really cute. So over here by the front door, I do have some of these little witch legs hanging from the doorknob. I also have this little trick-or-treat sign. I picked this up at Walgreens a few years ago. I think they were doing like 90% off. It was after Halloween. And I got 2 of those for 90 cents. Yeah, 2 of them for 90 cents. This spooky sign, I honestly don't know where it came from. I think my sister may have got it from like Dollar Tree like a really long time ago. So my hutch is where I do most of my decorating. So we'll come over here. Down here, I always keep my welcome sign up and I just kind of switch out all the decorations for the holidays. This side over here will start. I got that velvet pumpkin from Dollar Tree this year. That lace black, like the black lacy skull, that came from the icing. I got that when they were doing their like 90% off after Halloween. That little book is one of my favorite decorations that I have because I think it's supposed to look like the book from Hocus Pocus. I did pick that up at Dollar Tree last year and I was really excited that I found it. The little candle holder with like the skeleton hand, that came from Dollar Tree last year. I have a little tea light in there and I just love the way that looks. I think it looks like it costs more than $1. I thought that was one of the nicer decorations Dollar Tree has come out with. Over here on this end, I believe, yeah, pretty much, yeah, everything came from Dollar Tree over here. Like this little skeleton head, I thought that was really cute and unique. That little hand, that little psychic looking hand, that I just picked up this year from Dollar Tree. This is one of the newer items that I thought was really, really neat. I got one of those bottles. I didn't find any of the other colors. I just found the black bottle, the Wool of Bat. I think it looks really cute. And then I just got these books. Those came from Dollar Tree as well. And then just one of the skeleton hands. So moving up to the top portion here, I do have a little corner of my hutch decorated with like sugar skulls. I don't have too much sugar skull decor, but I do have some and I really like it. This is new. My mom actually just got this for me when she was in Mexico. I thought that was really neat. In the back here, those 2 dogs came from Walmart. I got both of them on clearance after the holiday. That sign in the center, I believe it came from Target originally, but I picked it up at a discount store for like 99 cents. I just put some black roses next to it. And then this little pumpkin, I really, really like it. It's new from Dollar Tree this year. I haven't seen like a sugar skull pumpkin before, so I thought that was super cute. So here in the center, I still have that tea light holder that I put up for fall. I just kind of left that in there. I felt like it did match for Halloween. And here in this corner, I just put some different like orange and black decorations. I'm trying to actually switch out all of my orange and black stuff for more of a color palette like I have going down here on this shelf. That's kind of more the color palette I'm wanting to do for Halloween. But I do have a lot of orange and black decorations, so I kind of put a lot of them in here. So these pumpkins over here, I picked both of these up at Walmart. That sign in the back was new at Dollar Tree this year. That boo sign, I think it came from Walmart like after the holidays. I think it was like on clearance, maybe it was 50% off. Over here on this end, that little book did come from Dollar Tree, as well as that orange little tree. I did pick that up this year as well. And at the bottom here, I got that little like pumpkin shaped jar at Dollar Tree, and I needed a pack of those little ping pong balls that looked like eyeballs. So I only ended up using a few of them, and the leftovers I just put inside that jar for decoration. Up here on the top shelf, I just switched out my letterboard to say let's get spooky. I did keep those candle holders, and I put some pumpkins on there that I got at Dollar Tree, those velvet pumpkins with like the kind of like glitter design on there. I thought those were really pretty and elegant looking. In the background, there's two of those like glittery trees. I got those from Walmart. It came in a 2-pack. This ghost here on this side, I picked that up at Dollar Tree a few years ago. I haven't seen it since, but I really, really like the design of it. Got a little cauldron, a spider, and then over here on this end, I do have one of those white ceramic skulls from Dollar Tree. And that little ghost, like squishy, I actually won that in a giveaway from Lady Mom T, I think maybe a year or two back. So I thought it looked really cute there with the other ghost. On each side, I put some signs in the background, since if you remember from my last decoration tour, the glass is kind of missing there. So I just put a sign in the background on each side. I got those at Dollar Tree. This pumpkin right here, my mother-in-law made for me and my husband. So I put it up there, kind of balanced it on the edge. And then this pumpkin on this side, my sister actually painted this one. This is one of the foam pumpkins from Dollar Tree. So that's what my hutch looks like. There at the top, I do have like one of those like foam pumpkins that my sister carved like a long time ago. I want to put a light in there so it kind of lights up. But yep, that's what we got going on in the dining room. So then I'll show you what we have in the kitchen. In the hallway, I did put up this little felt banner from Dollar Tree, and then that picture in the center, the trick or treat one, I got that from Walgreens a few years ago. And then I just have a little witch over here hanging on one of the doors. And then I also have these two witches here in this little corner. I really like these ones because they kind of make a crazy, like they laugh real crazy when you walk by. But I have them turned off right now because they can get kind of annoying. This is the kitchen. Up here you could see that we got our candy ready to go for Halloween. I'll start right here. So right here on top of my air fryer, I do keep my succulents. And in the center, I put this little witch, kind of like a little candy dish. I picked this up at a yard sale a few months back. And I think it came from Target though. The sticker at the bottom kind of looks like a Target sticker, but I believe I only paid like 75 cents for her. Up above my window, I have the little welcome sign from Dollar Tree. I thought that was really cute. Over by the stove, I don't have too much going on. I just put one of these like little felt characters up on the wall. I love that little black cat. I thought she looked so cute. And then this, I was trying to put this over by my like sugar skull decorations, but it just really didn't fit with everything else. So I just put it here in the kitchen. I thought it looked nice. Over here by the window, I do have the Black Hat Society sign. I thought that was really cute. I think I got it last year at Dollar Tree. And then over here by the sink and the microwave, I have a little bit of decorations as well. I have this Come In for a Spell. It's one of my favorite signs that I found for Halloween at Dollar Tree. Over here, the Jack Skellington mug, that came from Big Lots. The other mug, the pumpkin spice one, that's from Dollar Tree. So did that sign in the back, that did come from Dollar Tree as well. Over here on the little plate, I have a pumpkin from Walmart, and that little cupcake actually came from my aunt. She sent that to me for my birthday, and I thought it went really well with my Halloween decorations. So that's pretty much it for the kitchen. I'll show you the outside decorations, and then we'll be all done. I do have this little like witch's hat that I made last year on the front door as our wreath. Hanging on the tree, we have some little ghosts from Dollar Tree. Over here on the side, we do have some little tombstones. I gotta fix that skull. We also have some pumpkins here on the steps. And then over here on this end, we kind of have our little scarecrows and the hay bales set up. So I got this sign from Five Below. got it the same day we got that little Home Sweet Haunted Home sign back there. And the last decoration is this one right here with the 3 ghosts that says boo. I got that from a grocery store in the area, and it's really, really cute. I love how this one looks right here. But yeah, that's everything, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.